Não tô nem aí. Do you want to know what Brazilians say? Then you need to know our expressions. Oi, meu nome é Roberta, and in this video you will learn 3 useful expressions to communicate with any Brazilian. And from now on, I ask you to don't forget to give thumbs up to help me grow my channel, and if you don't want to miss any video, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos, okay? Tô com vontade de... The word vontade means will, desire. We use it when we want something. So the expression tô com vontade de means I want to or I feel like. For example, I can say, tô com uma vontade de tomar sorvete. See other examples. Tô com vontade de comer batata frita. Com vontade de ir à praia esse fim de semana. Ai, com vontade de dormir. Não tô nem aí. This expression is sometimes accompanied by the following gesture. That means, I don't care. Não tô nem aí. We usually use it to talk about some problem. Have you ever seen a Brazilian doing this? Now you know what it means. Let's see an example of a dialogue using this expression. Você toma açaí todo dia? Isso é muito calórico. Ah, não tô nem aí. Tamo junto. In fact, the correct thing would be to say nós estamos juntos, which means we are together. But people usually just say tamo junto. We use this expression to agree with something. It is an informal way of saying yes or that you are going to attend an event. For example, sábado vai ter churrasco na casa do João, você vai? Tamo junto. Eu preciso de ajuda com a minha mudança no domingo. Tamo junto. If you have a Brazilian friend and you chat with him or her on WhatsApp, you may have already seen this. This is how people write this expression on WhatsApp. Tamo junto. Do you want to learn more? Click the link in the video description. Did you like and learned something new in this video? So give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Tamo junto? Valeu!